Hello learners, you're watching my channel Teacher Sneha. In this video, we are going to learn to find the gradient of the line when a line is already plotted on the graph. At the end of this video, I'm going to share two interesting facts about the gradient of the straight line and also going to clear a commonly mistaken concept. Therefore, watch this video till the end to get those bonus points. Now let's first focus on the concept explanation. Here on my screen, you can now see a straight line that is already plotted on the graph. The question here is to determine its gradient. For finding the gradient of the line, firstly, I have to select any 2 points on this line. Here, I have highlighted the 2 points that I have selected. Then join these 2 points to form a right angle triangle. Then measure the height and the base of this right angle triangle and note it down. Here, the height is 4 units and the base is 2 units. To work out the gradient of this line, the formula that we will be using is height divided by base. This formula is also commonly called as rise upon run or rise upon step. Here, rise is nothing but the height of the right angle triangle and run is nothing but the base of the right angle triangle. After substituting the values height and base, the answer that I get is 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. Thus, the gradient of the line is 2. In the other graph that you now see on my screen, I have already drawn a triangle after selecting the 2 points. The height of this particular triangle is 3 units and the base is 2 units. Substituting the values in the formula, I get the answer 3 divided by 2, which is equal to 1.5. Therefore, the value of the gradient is 1.5. If you want, you can convert the value in the decimal, or if you want to keep your value of the gradient in fractions, you can write it as 3 divided by 2 or 3 upon 2 as well. This is how we work out the gradient of the line which is already plotted on the graph. Remember, I had told you about the two interesting facts I will be sharing about the gradient of the line. The first interesting fact is the parallel lines have the same gradient. If two lines are parallel, the value of their gradient is same. The second interesting fact about the gradients of the line is all the lines that are tilted towards the right hand side of the graph have a positive gradient and all the lines that are tilted towards the left of the graph have a negative gradient. I had also promised that I will be answering a commonly mistaken concept. Usually what happens is, the learners think that if they draw a bigger triangle, then the value of the gradient will be bigger. If they draw a smaller triangle, the value of the gradient will be smaller. It doesn't matter how big or small the triangle is. Always remember, the values of height and base are in the same proportion because the triangles that you draw to determine the gradient are similar, and thus no matter how big or small the triangle is, the value of the gradient is always the same. I hope this video helped you to learn about the concept of the gradient. Don't forget to like and share this video, and if you're not a subscriber yet, then subscribe to my channel. Let's meet again in the another video with another math concept. Till then, bye bye.